In this video, I will share with you the top 5 best coffee makers with grinders in 2024, along with insights and honest experiences to help you choose the perfect match for your coffee cravings. Number 1. Brew, the Grind Control Coffee Maker. This machine lives up to its name, offering impressive control over your coffee experience. The LCD screen lets you customize grind size, strength, and even brewing temperature, ensuring you get your ideal cup every time. It boasts fast brewing, grinding a full pot in around 6 minutes, and the single-serve option is a lifesaver for busy mornings. While slightly pricier than some competitors, the versatility and quality make it a worthwhile investment for coffee connoisseurs. My experience, I was particularly impressed with the grind size adjustment. It allowed me to experiment with different coarseness levels, ultimately finding the perfect balance for my preferred flavor profile. The single-serve option was also a welcome surprise, brewing a delicious cup without the need for a full pot. Number 2. Black & Decker Mill and Brew Coffee Maker. Looking for a budget-friendly option that delivers good coffee without the bells and whistles? Look no further than the Black & Decker Mill and Brew. It's a no-frills machine that gets the job done efficiently. While it lacks the fancy features of its more expensive counterparts, it grinds and brews a decent pot of coffee straightforwardly. My experience, while the coffee was acceptable, it didn't quite reach the level of the Brew in terms of flavor richness. However, for the price, it's a solid choice for those who prioritize simplicity and affordability. Number 3. Quinnart Grind and Brew Plus. Quinnart is a well-known name in the coffee maker world, and Grind and Brew Plus lives up to its reputation. It offers a good balance of features and functionality. With programmable settings, auto shutoff, and a carafe warmer, it caters to various preferences and ensures your coffee stays warm for extended periods. Additionally, the grind strength selector allows some level of customization. My experience, the Quinnart Grind and Brew Plus struck a good middle ground between convenience and customization. It was easy to use and offered the flexibility to adjust the coffee strength to my liking. The built-in carafe warmer was a plus, keeping my coffee warm for those mornings when I couldn't get to it right away. Number 4. Quinnart Grind and Brew Single-Serve Coffee Maker. This single-serve option from Quinnart is perfect for those who prefer individual cups of coffee. It uses pre-measured coffee pods for convenience and ease of use. While it won't offer the same level of control and customization as a traditional coffee maker, it's a great option for busy individuals who still want the freshness of freshly ground beans. My experience, the single-serve format is ideal for limited counter space and individual preferences. The convenience of pre-measured pods is undeniable, making it a fuss-free way to enjoy a quick cup of coffee. However, the limited customization options might not appeal to those who enjoy fine-tuning their coffee experience. Number 5. Spin Espresso and Coffee Machine. If you're looking to venture beyond drip coffee and explore the world of espresso-based drinks, the Spin is an intriguing option. This multifunctional machine not only grinds and brews coffee, but also features a steam wand for frothing milk, allowing you to create cappuccinos and lattes at home. Although it comes with a steeper price tag, it offers the versatility to cater to diverse coffee preferences. My experience, while I wasn't able to personally test the Spin, its ability to brew both coffee and espresso is an undeniable advantage for those who enjoy a variety of coffee beverages. However, the higher price point might deter some, and the learning curve associated with mastering espresso making could be a consideration.